who no really think Beenie Man would have carry crown or put on Vybz Kartel down at SUMFEST? No, sir. You don't believe that. You have to see that happen first before me believe it. Well, I hear say them alone say them a go crown Vybz Kartel down at SUMFEST. I mean hear people a say Beenie Man fi carry the crown go put on Vybz Kartel head. Well, Beenie Man still own himself as the king of dancehall, you know. So I don't know how them would have convinced Beenie Man to do that. Boy, it's so now weird to me still. Nah lie. If I see Beenie Man do that, then me know say Jesus will come one day. Jaja. No. You have a laugh, Ratsta. You have a laugh. Dance all sweet, you know, dance all nice, you know. But you have now. We just keep it real, you know. See that I don't want to hear them blow this out of proportion, you know. See? Yeah, man. Just keep it real, man. See? Big up Beenie Man and big up Vybz Kartel. The two of them great. So me I say two great artists in the earth. Yeah, man. And that's what my thing there. Shocking Morris said that.